Either welcome to Jiangsu YUMA Precision Technology Company. Our company was founded in 2007.
This is our office. Adhering to the mission of accelerating global intelligent manufacturing and achieving a green future, the company strives to achieve the vision of becoming the leader of multi-core application solutions. By shaping advanced corporate culture and gathering team strength with the core values of integrating passion, focus, and innovation.
First, we are going to visit our sample.
YUMA is a high-tech enterprise specialized in the research and development and manufacturing of motor cones and tooling, serving industrial control, new energy, and automotive market. Let's take a closer look at our samples. Here are our staple motor iron cones. YUMA Precision Servo Series are block products with a series of standard cones covering the full product range series of 40 to 250. These are brushless motors and automobile motors.
Let's take a closer look at our wall samples. Here is our pattern board.
These are our silicone steel coil raw materials. Silicone steel sheets are outsourced for cutting and transportation back. We can see here are YUMA stamping punching machines. In terms of stamping equipment, Jiangsu and Guangzhou factories have more than 60 high-speed punches of various tonnages. With an annual capacity of 4 billion pounds and a gross estimate of demand for 70 million motors, at present, the equipment utilization rate or capacity reaches 70%, so it can meet the annual demand of any new product. The step product is welded by our laser welding equipment. Let's take a closer look at the automatic welding process. We can notice all of them cutting out the packing and wiping vessel bag with desiccant for rust prevention. And here is our tooling repairing area. There's a set of international standards for tooling maintenance that higher than industry standards and ahead of most large rotary tooling. Here is our finished products package warehouse. Now let's visit our in-process quality room. At present, for inspection, we have more than 20 professional quality inspectors to control the product quality to ensure the stability of product accuracy and quality. About our equipment input, we set Japanese Kien's projector, Japanese Mitutoyo profilometer, Z3 coordinate verticality detector, polar, height meter, and other precision testing instruments can accurately measure the size requirements of the stator and rotor cones. At last, we are going to visit our Tooling Research and Development Center. The company is well equipped with 3 research and development centers, namely Product Tooling and Equipment Research and Development, including more than 20% of research and development technical experts. With the possession of over 40 invitation patents and utility model patents, our company has won the Brand Building Award for many times.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.